Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable JavaScript in Opera GX on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Opera settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one site settings under privacy and security section. Under content section, you will find this one JavaScript option. Click on this one. You will find by default Opera GX allows JavaScript on pages. To block it, select this one second option. Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. This will block JavaScript on Opera GX browser.